Welcome, in front of me is a Vodafone Smart 4 Max, and today I will show you how to enable unknown sources. So to start off, we will begin by opening up the Settings app. So tap on the Settings app wherever you have it, and from there scroll down into Security, and you will see unknown sources. So you can just tap on it so it's checked on, and now we can install apps from basically either browser, wherever you downloaded it, basically from all the unknown sources. So that is how you enable unknown sources, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.